I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this video lesson, how to play Life Sucks and Then You Die by the Fools, the ultimate country song. The Fools originally played this song in three keys, F, F sharp, and G. If you can play in the key of F sharp, you don't need me explaining how to play chords to you. But, feeling that this song needs a wider performance base, I've simplified it to the keys of G, modulating into the key of A. So let's look at those chords. G chord, we're going to let the first finger hang. Middle finger plays the 5th string 2nd fret. The ring finger plays the 6th string 3rd fret. And the pinky plays the 1st string 3rd fret. Now we're leaving the first finger out on the first chord, so we can go from there to the C, which is just like that. Pick up your pinky, move your ring finger and middle finger simultaneously over one string. So your ring finger is on the 5th string 3rd fret, and your middle finger is on the 4th string 2nd fret. Then your first finger goes on the 2nd string 1st fret. Play 5 strings. To go from the C to the D, pick up your index finger, slide these two fingers simultaneously so that your middle finger winds up on the 1st string 2nd fret, and your ring finger winds up in the 2nd string 3rd fret. Then your first finger plays the 3rd string 2nd fret. Play 4 strings, 4th string down. In the third verse, we're going to change from the key of G to the key of A. Now, you can play A any way you want to. You can put your first finger on the 4th string 2nd fret, your middle finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 2nd string 2nd fret. Play 5 strings. Or you can play with these 3 fingers, or like this. Or I like to just lay one finger down, kind of leave out the high E. That lets me get this lick in. Play D over an A bass. Go from the A to the D. Hey, wait a minute, we already know this chord. From there we go to the E chord. First finger is on the 3rd string 1st fret. Middle finger plays the 5th string 2nd fret, and your ring finger kind of crowds in behind it, so it's on the 4th string 2nd fret. Play all 6. So what does the right hand do? Well, it's kind of a light shuffle. Here's your steady beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down, and down, and down, and down, and down, and down. So you see the ups are a little shorter than the downs. Down, and down, and down, and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Once you got your steady beat, then we're going to take a couple things away. On the first down, only play the 6th string. So it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Up the tempo. 1, 2, 3, and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now that would sound even nicer if we alternated the bass note. So on 1, you're going to play the 6th string for the G, and then the 4th string on 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And try that slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. If you miss a note, that's okay. Fix it next time. For the C, you're going to start on the 5th string, 1 and 2 and 6th string, but we're going to move the ring finger over on the 3rd fret 6th string. Practice it slow for a while and then take it up to tempo. For the D, start on the 4th string, down, up, 5th string, down, up, 4th string. The chords in A, the alternating bass is even easier. The A chord goes 5th string, down, up, 6th string, down, up, 5th string, down, up, 6th string. And for the E, even easier. 6th string, 5th string, 6th string, 5th string. Practice it slow, then speed up. You know, sometimes I hit the extra up, the and a 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's perfectly natural. And you notice as long as you stay in time, it sounds okay. Don't forget to check the links below for a chord chart, a play-along video, as well as other songs that you might like to learn. Below that, there's a big gray box that's for your questions. If you didn't understand something, if you'd like me to take something a little slower, please feel free to ask questions. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Life Sucks and Then You Die, the ultimate country song by the Fools. Thank you for watching.